feel like for the past few years, all we're hearing is take your collagen. What kind of collagen are you taking? This is the best supplement. Well, let's try it out for the first time. This one here is by BUBS, was sent for my review, and I've tried other types of collagen, of course. Never have I before tried the unflavored type of collagen peptides. So let's check that out for the first time. So, I'm assuming it's going to be a nice little white powder. I like the way that it's packaged, very nice. You do have the scooper, which is super important. So let me check at first any type of smell. Zero smell whatsoever. I expected so much. Let's check out. So it is two scoops. So one scoop. One scoop. I like that because this scoop is pretty big, and this is the cool thing is that I usually would use it in a coffee, because if you've ever used collagen or tried to dissolve collagen peptides, sometimes it's a little bit harder in cold drinks unless you are doing, really big shakes or smoothies. That's zero problems whatsoever. But the cool thing with this, of course, is yes, I can use it in a coffee, just like so, and I will be stirring it up, of course. But you can use it even in recipes, in soups, in different kind of, any type of recipe that you want to add some collagen to get you that supplement without changing the taste of what you're putting into. This is what we're going to taste right now. I know what my coffee is supposed to taste like. We're going to mix it right now, see how well it blends. And if it actually blends properly. Let's see. Yeah, no clumps, nothing whatsoever. As you can see, very, very smooth. So that's a really big plus so far. So good. Let's taste. That's the most important thing. Smells like my coffee. That's a good start. This is interesting. Very interesting. Now, the taste is exactly the same. So I put a little bit of sugar in my coffee. I've got an espresso pod. Yeah, tastes like an espresso with some milk. Perfect. But it adds a little bit more of that smoothness, that volume, that creaminess, if you may. It changes the texture of the coffee in a great way. I feel like I just got this from a barista. It is super tasty. It tastes the same, but it's the way it goes down. Very, very impressed with this. Definitely an easy way to add this to your daily routine.